everybody! I'm here today to show you how to do Japanese multiplication using lines. This will be a simple video on math hacks. I'm going to show you a simple math hack that you can use to multiply two numbers together easily. Okay, let's get right into the video. You're going to write down your multiplication equation. So first we're going to start off with a number like, we'll use two-digit numbers. So we're going to do 21 times 23. So I'm going to write it out just up here, okay? 21 times 23. So we have those two numbers there. We have a 21 and we have a 23. Now, for the first number, which would be 21, we're going to draw that using horizontal lines. Now, the first digit, which is a 2, means we're going to get two horizontal lines. 1, 2, okay? And then the second digit is a 1, means one horizontal line, but we have a space between it, like that. 1, just like that, okay? Now for the other number, we have 23. Now we're gonna do vertical lines for this, okay? So I'm gonna go we went from top to bottom for the horizontal lines. I'm gonna go from left to right for the vertical lines. So 23, two vertical lines on the left right here. 1, 2, and then 3 is the second digit here. So 3 vertical lines right here, okay? 1, 2, 3. Once again, we left a space, a gap between them. You end up with this grid, okay? Now on this grid, we're gonna essentially have 3 different sections. We have the section on the bottom right, so I'm gonna draw a line like this, okay? This is one section. Then we have this section right here, diagonally across, okay? I'm gonna draw a line like that. Okay, and then the last section is all the way up here on the top left. So section 1, section 2, section 3. Very simple. Now we're just going to count the number of intersections, okay, the number of cross points in each section. And we're going to write down the number. So let's count here. 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to write down a 3 here, okay? Now we're going to count all of these cross points here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Write down an 8 right there. And what about up here? Now I covered 1 with the line here, but there was a cross section here. Let's not forget. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Now we have these 3 numbers here, okay, for the 3 sections. Okay, we have a 4, we have an 8, we have a 3. In order to get our answer, you start up here and you go across. 4, 8, 3. 483. There's your answer, 483. Boom! Just like that. So easy, so convenient, and you can multiply really big numbers using this method, okay? So, and I'm going to show you another example. Stay tuned, because with this example, we're going to have a number that is a double digit in the answers, and I'm going to show you how to handle that. So for this one, we're going to use a bigger number. We'll use 41 times 53. That will give us what we need, okay? Now, when you have these bigger numbers right here with a 4 and a 5 and so forth, you want to make sure that you're making your grid nice and big, because you're going to have quite a few intersections. So once again, we're going to start off with the horizontal lines for 41, okay? So we're going to do a really big one right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a 1 down here, nice and big, right? 1. So we have 41, okay? 4, 1. Now 53, okay? So 5 over here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 3 on the other side over here. 1, 2, 3. Just like that. Once again, we divide it up into 3 sections. So we have this section right here. That's your first section, okay? Draw another line just like this, all the way across. This is our second section right here. Third section is all the way up here. Let's count the intersections that we have. Let's count the cross points, okay? 1, 2, 3. 3 is the number right there. Now we count all of these, and here's where it gets a little bit tricky, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Well, we have a 17 there, right? Now it gets interesting, so follow along. And at the top, we're going to count these numbers over here, these intersections. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So look at that. Now we have some two-digit numbers, okay? Now remember, when we're looking at our answer, we're going like this, okay? It would be 20, 17, 3. That's the number, but that doesn't make any sense. So what we're going to do is we're going to bring any two-digit numbers all the way to the beginning. It's sort of like carrying over your place value. So 3 is fine. It's not a two-digit number. Now we have a 17 here. So we're going to take this first digit, which is a 1, and we're going to actually add it up here. So 17 is no longer 17. We're going to take that 10, that 1 that represents a 10 value. Okay, so 17, we're going to get rid of the 1. So 17 now becomes 7, and we're bringing the 1 up here. So it's 20 plus that 1, which is actually 21. Now we have our numbers, 21, 7, 3. 21, 7, 3. 2,173, which is our answer. That's it. That is how to do these multiplication equations using these lines. A simple video on math hacks. It's actually really easy. However, I just wanted to make sure I showed you exactly how to do it. It's very simple, but I wanted to make sure to go over a simple example and then a more complex one and show you how to deal with them. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.